everybody, my name is Maggie and today I wanted to do a video of me doing a fridge tour, but instead I will do it. So I'm just on the couch at the moment and ew. I'll get a stoppies. Oh, well, first I'll start off with how old I am, but I won't do that yet. But I'm very new to this channel, I would say. I'm not that much of a fan of YouTube, I don't think. But, yeah, so just opening my fridge up, so I need to put it that way so then you can see. You can see? Okay, I'm only filming these 3 fridges. Okay, so, let me open this up all the way. So my first drawer right here, I'll open it up, and in here we have some cheddar tasty cheese in a bag. Some tomatoes, some sliced cheese, some carrots, some more mozzarella cheese maybe. And then in our second drawer over here, which is our fruit and veg, so you can see it's a little bit again. We've got some ham, donuts, and some more tomatoes and some cherries. Onto the shelf over here. We've got like a container which has really nothing in it. Then we've got some ham. So I'll just show you. Some ham. Then we've got some eggs. 2 eggs actually. So yeah, yes, eggs. And then we've got some neutral light tasty cheese. Then we got the cup fridge. Oh, well that usually happens. But then we got some peaches, which I love. And we got pizza sauce, which I might have pizza tonight. Oh, and the beeping noises are just, but because it's just telling that my fridge is open. And then we've got some baked beans. Alright, onto the second drawer. Sorry, I didn't get my stupid. We've got some eggs. We've got some meat and rice over here. Some spinach dip. And some ham at the back. Soda water. What is that? Yeah, soda water. And we've got some pastry over there. And you can't see up there, but I'll just do that later. Onto the door. So let me just leave you guys over the door. Okay, see it? I only will be showing you this part. Here we always keep our drinks. Do. So we've got a massive thing of lemonade. And we got some wine for my dad and mum. A bottle of water. We always keep that. 2 bottles of soda water. And then we don't need really talk about that. And then my freezer's down the bottom. But that's it for today. So bye everybody.